Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to Backrooms Redacted News. Once again, we do not have much today, so let's go through this with haste. First up, I got some nice info from a man named Koken70, confirming a level 32 revamp in the positive update, which is most likely after the override update. So thank you, Koken. You're pretty cool. Anyways, to end off, as you can see here, we have a sneak peek of the Black Operator. Scary, isn't it? This could also mean we could, see a rework of the, Ghost Sprite. What? What was that can't have been. Anyways, thank you for tuning into Backrooms Redacted News, and goodbye for now. God